In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Google Ads reports in Ga4 in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a business owner looking to optimize your advertising strategy or a marketer seeking deeper insights, understanding how to navigate these platforms is key. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your hub for managing your ads and accessing all your account data. You can easily find it by going to your browser and typing Google Ads into the search bar. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the sign in button. Click on sign in to enter your account credentials. If you're new to Google Ads, you'll need to set up an account, but assuming you've already got that squared away, signing in is a straightforward process. Once you're inside your Google Ads account, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads home section. This is essentially your dashboard and acts as the command center for all your Google Ads activity. From here you can track performance, adjust settings, and most importantly for today's tutorial, access the tools you'll need for reports. Next, click on the Goals tab. This feature allows you to create specific objectives in your Google Ads campaigns, which is particularly useful when you want to monitor how well your ads are driving the intended actions from users. After that, navigate to the Conversions section. This is where the magic happens. Conversion tracking is essential because it helps you determine the success of your campaigns by measuring how users interact with your ads, leading to valuable actions such as purchases or signups. Now that you're in the Conversions tab, click on Summary to get a quick overview of all your active conversion actions. This summary gives you a snapshot of the current performance, which is crucial before diving deeper into specific reports. It's important to keep your conversion actions organized and up to date for accurate tracking. To proceed, you'll want to click on Create Conversion Action. Here, you can set new goals for your advertising campaigns. This step is particularly important if you're running new campaigns or changing strategies and want to accurately assess their impact. After setting those conversion actions, click Import to bring in existing data. The import functionality is a gem because it allows you to pull data from other platforms, making your reports richer and more comprehensive. Once the import options appear, select Google Analytics 4 properties. This is where the direct integration with Ga4 comes into play, enabling you to sync data seamlessly between Google, Ads, and Analytics. Congratulations! You've now set up your Google Ads reports in Ga4. By following these steps, you ensure that your reporting is precise and informative, helping you make better informed decisions for your advertising campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.